The countdown is on. This October 17th, Nubia's RedMagic is about to rewrite the rules of mobile gaming. Meet the RedMagic 11 Pro, the world's first gaming phone powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and RedMagic's first ever to feature water cooling technology. This isn't just a smartphone, it's a portable gaming powerhouse. RedMagic has always been known for performance-first design, but this time it's going all in. The RedMagic 11 Pro blends aggressive gaming aesthetics with refined engineering. Every curve, every vent, every LED has a purpose. At its core, a next-generation liquid cooling setup working alongside RedMagic's signature fan and vapor chamber for peak thermal efficiency. Your gameplay? Cooler, smoother, and faster, even in marathon sessions. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 drives the experience, Qualcomm's most powerful gaming chip to date. But the real magic happens when it teams up with RedMagic's custom RedCore R4. This coprocessor is built exclusively for gaming, fine-tuning everything from haptic feedback to audio, lighting, and touch response. Together, they form a dual-brain performance ecosystem, one focused on raw power, the other on immersive precision. Of course, visuals matter. The 11 Pro supports up to 144 Hz refresh rate and 2K resolution, delivering every frame with razor-sharp clarity. Driving it all is the new Cube PowerGame Engine 3.0, designed to boost image quality, maintain stable frame rates, and slash power consumption all at once. This is mobile gaming that looks as good as it feels. But here's where RedMagic takes a bold leap, a built-in Windows PC game emulator. That's right, your favorite desktop titles playable directly on your phone. Pair it with a controller, and you've got a pocket-sized gaming rig. To make sure the experience is flawless, RedMagic has teamed up with top-tier game developers to optimize performance across major titles, from shooters to RPGs and esports-grade games. The RedMagic 11 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most powerful gaming smartphones ever built, combining next-gen silicon, intelligent cooling, and uncompromising design. It's not just about playing games, it's about dominating them. October 17th, China gets the first look, and the rest of the world, you'll want to stay tuned because this is only the beginning of the elite gaming era.